Assalamu alaikum and good day. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. I'm Madeeha Khurram from Multan Public School. I'm your social studies teacher. Dear students, we read this unit earlier. Now we will revise this unit. In this unit, we read about Anam. She is a girl. She is 6 years old. We also read about Yasir. He is a boy. He is 7 years old. Dear students, prepare your introduction as she is introducing herself.
Assalamu alaikum, good fellows. It's me, and I'm Shazad in front of you. I'm a girl. I'm 7 years old. I read in class 1. My school name is Multan Public School. My favorite subject is social studies. I like healthy food, don't like junk food. I want to be an army doctor. I'm proud to be a Pakistani. Thanks for listening.
Dear students, this video is shown to you for reinforcement of this unit. Now students, get ready for test. Unit number 1. About myself. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What is your name? Dear students, at the end of question statement, we put question mark. I repeat question number 1. What is your name? Question number 2. Are you a girl or a boy? I repeat question number 2. Are you a girl or a boy? Question number 3. How old are you? Question number 3. How old are you? Dear students, write these questions and their answers in your neat notebook. Let's move to next topic. My family. This is Yasir and Anam's family. In this topic, we read about family structure of Yasir and Anam. They live together in one house with their grandparents. Yasir and Anam's parents are Mr. Raza Ali and Mrs. Zainab Ali. They live with their grandparents. Grandparents are Mr. Akbar Malik and Mrs. Fatma Malik. In this topic, we have learned the key words to understand family structure. These words are together, grandparents, parents, father, mother, son, daughter, children. Dear students, now get ready for test of this topic. My family. Answer these questions. How many people are there in Ali's family? I repeat question number 1. How many people are there in Ali's family? Question number 2. How many people are there in your family? Question number 2. How many people are there in your family? Dear students, write these answers and questions on your neat notebook. Thank you.